a young boy being may dream.
Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Chaosgamerzhd channel. Today we're going to be doing interactive breeding with two gigas here. So right now, as you guys can see, they are both 300 each, and also they are tamed, and as well as mate boosted. Now you guys have to have a female and a male, obviously, to do the business. Let's see if we can get this to go the way I plan it to. So let's actually go over here. We're going to enable wandering on both of them. Just like that. And they are mating, as you guys can see from the hearts, because they are close together. So you want to spam click U, and that's basically to make them so it stops moving around while they're close together so that they can actually breed up. Alrighty, so now that they have just pooped out an egg right over here, we're going to pick up this egg really fast, and then we are going to drop it here. Drop item. And then now we're going to give power to the generator, which is going to give power to everything else. Egg incubation is awesome. See how it says at the bottom over here, how it says egg incubation and egg health. What I have right over here is some ACs, or air conditioners, hooked up to a simple power line coming out from a generator. So these are all working and turned on right now. So I just lay down the egg like this, and then we're going to see what comes out. So yeah, I'll be right back when this actually turns out and hatches. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, we are back with our baby giga. So we got a level 305 over here, which is awesome. We're going to enter in a bunch of raw meats, because if you don't actually give them food pretty much instantly, they can die. So let's do this really fast. Here, I don't know why you're running away. Give me your inventory. Drop in there. Eat the food. Eat it. Okay, that's all I can actually put. Alright. I'm going to disable wandering on you so you can stop moving around. Stop it. Stop. So I upped the maturation progress, as well as the, yeah, this is going to be taking 3 hours and 54 minutes before it wants care. Alright, so we're going to need a ton of raw meat for this guy, so I'm going to go on my giga real quick, and we're going to grab a bunch of meat. So let's do that real fast. Alrighty guys, so we are back. We got a little bit more raw meat here. We're going to pop that in the fridge. Let's see where our little baby giga is at. Okay, yeah, so they eat these meat like crazy, so you guys are going to want to go for a long harvest. Put them in the refrigerator, do what you got to do. Okay, I'm going to put as many as I can in here. Alright, so the maturation progress is going up. Alrighty guys, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to wait until this guy wants care, and then we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I increased it to about 500 times for the maturation progress, and you guys can see him just getting a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger as it matures over time. I'm gonna have him, okay, he's actually already eating, so we're okay with that, but they're gonna be eating a lot, so that's why I told you guys that you're gonna need a lot of food for this guy. So yeah, we're gonna be right back. Hopefully the needs care thing, maybe I can actually set an option for that and have that be done faster, so I can show you guys how to implement the kibble when you guys are in your single player or legit world. Either way, I'll be right back one more time. I apologize for this, guys. Alrighty guys, so I am back. So I tried to change out the option so that it wants care in a lesser time, but I cannot get it to do that. So either way, you guys get the gist. So when it wants care, it's basically going to tell you what kibble you want it to have. After that, you go into your refrigerator, wherever you save the kibble. You want to drag and drop the kibble over to your inventory, then put it in the little baby dinos inventory, and then remote use items. So that's pretty much about it. So this guy's going to keep on maturing and maturing and maturing until it becomes into a full giga. But anyway, that's basically it for the interactive breeding. Now I'm going to show you guys how to, if you guys are in your single player, how to spawn in and all this stuff, and I'll obviously have some links down in the description. That's it for the interactive breeding, so that's all you guys wanted for the tutorial. Then you guys can end the video here. But if you guys want to actually watch the rest of the video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to make this taming bit faster, as well as the egg and the egg incubation time, as well as the maturing process. So we're going to be right back onto my desktop. We're going to be doing a couple of things. So what you want to do is right over here, you guys want to copy and paste all of these cheats. Now these are all separate, so Enablecheats will enable everything from then on. So I put Admincheat God, Admincheat infinitestats, Admincheat PlayersOnly, and then if you want to do Admincheat Walk or Admincheat Fly, then you can do that as well. Now this is going to be the spawndino and then as well as the Forcetame. So I have two websites open right here. So this is the actual website to spawn in any dino of your choice. So you can spawn in obviously both of those, and hopefully you get to a male and a female. But if you don't get a male and a female, and you get a male and a male, or a female and a female, then you're going to want to kill one of those and then keep on spawning one in until you actually achieve that, you know, opposite sex. Now after you do that, you want to obviously spawn in some item IDs, right? So right over here, here's the command. So now this is the admin cheat. Give item number, and then the number right here is the item ID. This is the quantity, and as well as this is the quality. Now this also is blueprint, so if you want just the item itself and not the blueprint, then you do false. If you want the blueprint, then you do true. And now you can just search up in here exactly what you want. So let's say I want a some kibble, right, because that actually pertains to what I'm doing in this video. Then you got all of these choices right here. Now these are all of the spawn rates for everything. So you basically want to do admin cheat, give item number, and then you do like 327 if you want ankyllo egg, and then you do like, let's say a quantity of like 3, then you get 3 of those, as well as you know, just put 1 after it because that's just basically the quality of the egg, which doesn't really matter, and then you do false afterwards just to get the egg itself. Now to actually edit the Game.ini, you basically want to go into your Steam library, you select ARK Survival Evolved, you go to Properties, you go to Local Files over here, and then you go to Browse Local Files. Now this is where it comes interesting, so you want to go to Engine, or no, Shooter Game, sorry, Saved, and then you want to go to Config, Windows No Editor, and then Game.ini, and you want to copy and paste this right here because you'll have nothing at all really, and then you'll basically have this. Now these are obviously to my choice for the video creation, but you can actually just tinker around with these settings to your pertaining liking. But that's basically about it. Thanks everyone so much for watching. We do appreciate it over here at the Chaosgamerzhd channel. If you like the video, make sure to like it down below, as well as subscribe to the channel to see more, and comment down below also if you have any questions, and I will respond to them as fast as I can with the best descriptive answer that I can give. Either way, thanks everyone so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.